In this question, you have to identify the correct pair representing the causative agent of typhoid fever and the confirmatory test for typhoid. Option A, Plasmodium vivax and UTI test. It is incorrect because Plasmodium vivax is not the causative agent of typhoid fever. It causes malaria. And the UTI test is used to diagnose urinary tract infections and not typhoid fever. Option B, Streptococcus pneumoniae and Weidel test. It is incorrect. Streptococcus pneumoniae causes pneumonia and some types of meningitis, but not typhoid fever. But the Weidel test is in fact a serological test which is used to diagnose typhoid fever. But this option is incorrect due to the wrong causative agent. Option C, Salmonella typhi and anthrax test. It is also incorrect. While Salmonella typhi is indeed the causative agent of typhoid fever, but the anthrax test is not used for diagnosing typhoid. The anthrax test is a colorimetric test for the detection of carbohydrates and not for typhoid. Option D, Salmonella typhi and Weidel test. Now, Salmonella typhi is the bacterium which is responsible for typhoid fever. And as already mentioned, the Weidel test is the confirmatory test that detects specific antibodies against Salmonella typhi in the patient's blood, thus confirming the typhoid fever. Hence, it is the correct option. In this question, you have to point out why colostrum, the yellowish fluid secreted by mother during the initial days of lactation, is very essential to impart immunity to the newborn infants. Option A, natural killer cells. Now, while natural killer cells, that is the NK cells, are part of the immune system, but they are not present in the colostrum. Hence, it is incorrect. Option B, monocytes. Now, monocytes are a type of white blood cells that differentiates into macrophages. And although they play a role in the immune system, but they are not specifically transferred to the newborn through colostrum. Hence, it is also incorrect. Option C, macrophages. While macrophages are immune cells that can be present in colostrum, but they are not the main factor responsible for immunity in colostrum. Hence, it is incorrect. Option D, immunoglobulin A. Now, colostrum, which is the first milk produced by the mother in the initial days after childbirth, and it is rich in nutrients and immune factors which are very important for the newborn's immunity development. And it is very rich in immunoglobulin A, that is IgA, an antibody that provides passive immunity to the newborn by protecting the mucous membranes in the gastrointestinal tract and the respiratory tracts as well. And this is very important as the newborn's immune system is still developing. Hence, it is the correct option. In this question, you have to identify the immune response that is responsible for rejection of kidney graft. Option A, autoimmune response. Now, this is incorrect because an autoimmune response occurs when the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own tissues. But this type of response is not responsible for the rejection of a transplanted organ like a kidney graft. Option B, humoral immune response. Now, the humoral immune response involves B cells and the production of antibodies to fight against pathogens. Now, B cells, or rather the antibodies, may play a role in organ rejection, but the primary mechanism responsible for rejection of kidney graft is not humoral immune response. Option C, inflammatory immune response. This is also incorrect. The inflammatory immune response is a general defense mechanism that involves the recruitment of immune cells to the site of injury or infection. Now, inflammation can occur during organ rejection, but it is not the main type of immune response. Hence, it is incorrect. Option D, cell-mediated immune response. Now, the cell-mediated immune response involving T cells is the main mechanism responsible for the rejection of a kidney graft, because T cells recognize the foreign antigens on the transplanted organ and mount an immune response to destroy or to reject the graft tissue. Hence, this is the correct option. In this question, you have to match the components given under column 1 with that of column 2. Now, typhoid fever is an infectious disease that is caused by the bacterium Salmonella typhi, and it is transmitted through contaminated food and water and is characterized by symptoms such as high fever, abdominal pain, and gastrointestinal disturbances. Thus, A matches with 3. Now, pneumonia can be caused by various pathogens, including bacteria and viruses. And Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenzae are two common bacterial pathogens which are mainly associated with pneumonia. And it is characterized by inflammation of the lungs, leading to symptoms such as cough, fever, and difficulty in breathing. Thus, B matches with 4. Now, filariasis or elephantiasis is a disease that is caused by filarian worms, which is known as Vauchereria bancrofti or Vauchereria malayi. And these parasitic worms are transmitted to humans through the bite of infected mosquitoes. And filariasis can lead to severe swelling of limbs or extremities such as genitals due to the blockage of the lymphatic vessels. Thus, C matches with 1. And malaria is a mosquito-borne infectious disease caused by protozoan parasites, Plasmodium. And there are different species of Plasmodium such as Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium ovale that can cause malaria in humans. And these parasites are transmitted through humans through the bite of infected female Anopheles mosquitoes, and the symptoms can be fever, chills, or anemia. Thus, D matches with 3. Hence, the correct answer is option D. In this question, you have to identify the infectious stage of Plasmodium that enters the human body. Option A, female gametophyte. It is incorrect. These are the sexual forms of Plasmodium that develop in the human blood but are taken up by the mosquito during a blood meal. So, these are not the infectious stage for the humans. Option B, male gametophytes. It is also incorrect. Like female gametophytes, these are involved in sexual reproduction within the mosquito and are not infectious to humans. Option C, trophozoites. It is also incorrect, as these are the active feeding stages of Plasmodium that occurs inside the red blood cells during the blood stage of the life cycle, but they do not infect the humans directly. Option D, sporozoites. Now, sporozoites are the infectious stage of Plasmodium that enters the human body, and they are transmitted through the bite of an infected female Anopheles mosquito. So, when the mosquito, or rather the infected mosquito, bites a human, the sporozoites from their salivary glands are injected into the bloodstream and travel to the liver, where they initiate the life cycle of the malarial parasite. Hence, this is the correct option. In this question, you have to match the diseases given in list 1 to the respective causative agent given in list 2. A filariasis arises from infection by Wuchereria bancrofti, a nematode worm. Thus, A matches with B. Now, amoebiasis or amoebic dysentery results from Entamoeba histolytica, a protozoan parasite affecting the human large intestine. Thus, B matches with 4. Now, pneumonia typically stems from bacteria such as Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenzae. Thus, C matches with 1. And ringworm is caused by fungi of the genera Microsporum trichophyton. Thus, D matches with 2. Hence, the correct answer is option C.